everybody, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do a plan with me for May 7th through May 13th in my paper mache inserts. This is the B6 size. I'm going to be using mostly a Scribble Prints Co. kit, but then I also have these 4 full boxes from Planting Roses, and they're hilarious, so I might pull in some of these also. I'm not totally sure. These are matte, these are glossy. Whatever, it'll work. These are so cute, and she did like a really good job with the colors. I mean, she didn't try to match them to Scribble Prints Co., but they pretty much all match. The reds and pinks are a little bit different, so we'll have to see how that goes. As for the Scribble Prints Co. kit, I did get an ultimate kit or a deluxe kit or whatever they're called, plus add-ons, so I have a ton of stuff to use, so obviously I won't use all of it. So I have these 4 girls with the like bows in their house colors. Oh, I guess I should show you. This is the other add-on that I bought. These are the glitter headers, labels, flags, and quarter boxes. This is the new freebie that comes with kits. So we have work labels and all sorts of stuff. And then I might actually use those work labels this week. I have a busy week. You have deco, icons, etc. Then you have weekend banner, sidebar stuff, icons, check flags, little 3-heart check flags, labels, the boxes page, headers, and washi. I know these are all sideways, I apologize. More washi, labels, and little things, the full heart check boxes, and then the beautiful full boxes. I love those. And then we also have washi, and this is a single strip of washi. We have date covers, another full box. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. And I think I might start with a piece of washi because I really want to use it, and that way I know I'll have room for it, because I will adjust accordingly. I wonder if I should put it down lower. We'll put it just a little lower. So we'll line it up with this line above rather than putting the bottom on a line. That works for me. I love the brick pattern. It's so cute. I can probably zoom in for you guys. So let's see. How do I want to do this? I think I want some of those 3-heart checklists and some boxes rather than full checklists, because I think I have more events rather than to-do list items, if that makes sense. I guess we'll make Monday a blue day, and I do want a to-do list this day. I forgot I need to white out. Okay, so let's find a header. Let's do header. And we have one type of finals that day. So I think I might take the work sticker. Like I said, I have a lot of work type things this week, so I think that'll be wonderful. I don't normally need them because I work the same hours every day, but like I said, I have things going on. Okay, then I don't really know what else is happening Monday. The work thing is one of the types of finals that my students take. Some of my students. I know it's probably very confusing listening to me talk about my school, but I don't necessarily want to tell all the details about my school. I ran out of whiteout. Okay, no wonder it was working so poorly. So our program is just a little different, so some of the things you might hear might sound strange to you. Like, this is like the second or third time I'll be talking about finals, but it's not the same kids taking the same finals, so it's not like they're taking 17 different finals. I promise. Okay, where did my full boxes go? Here they are. Oh my gosh, we're gonna put the book one. Actually, maybe I want this on Friday. Just kidding. And I think I'll put this one at the bottom. My air is gonna turn on, so I'm probably gonna have to fast forward this part. Okay, I'm back. My air conditioning kicked on, so I just sort of kept going and, you know, fast forwarded all that. Oh my gosh, I forgot something major for this day. I guess I can put it down here. Actually, two major things. Whoops. So basically, I have work stickers, some packages, my filming schedule, dinners each day with a little bit of a to-do list area. We have a graduation on this day. I have a weekly tracker, probably for water, maybe steps. I don't know if I'll wear my Fitbit again. I have a bill due. I have my boyfriend's birthday. This is just an empty box in case I need to put something there. And then for Sunday, I need to put Mother's Day and my 1-year anniversary. Whoops. And then I need to put my habit trackers in, so I gotta find those. They're over here. So I don't know how I want to do it. Like the pink on the pink and the blue on the blue and then something else on the yellow. Maybe? I could do that, right? I think I'm just kind of centering them. I don't know how straight they're gonna be, but it's like the one line is too high, the other line is too low. And then I can put just like a quarter box here. That works. Okay. I don't know how I feel about that line. I think I'm going to white it out. Okay, and then like I said, I need another half box over here. And I'll just have to put both things kind of in the same half box, but that's okay. So we have like a clinking glasses icon that I'll put down here. And I'll put Happy Mother's Day 1 year anniversary. Oh my goodness. I feel like I want to put something for Mother's Day, but I don't know what I would put. I'm looking like at my icons and stuff. Okay, I don't know. I don't think I'm going to use the date covers with this spread. I like how it looks a little bit more white space, but I do think I'm going to put some deco in to liven up that area, and partially because I just really like the deco. I'll need to find numbers also, but we'll do that probably off camera because I don't know what I'm going to use. I gotta find something. Okay. Let's see. Maybe a golden snitch in here. And then I think I want something on this box, maybe a rose. Oh, maybe the time turner. Okay. I think I'm gonna white these out also, since I basically have all the other lines whited out, and I feel like it looks a little funny. Okay. What do you guys think? I think it's really cute. I have tons and tons and tons of stickers left, and I think really like the only thing I'm going to add is date numbers. I need something over on this side. It's killing me. I'll put the Deathly Hallows, and then I'll put the numbers in. Yeah, I don't know what else is going on. I'm sure I'll have like chores and laundry and groceries and that kind of thing that I need to do, but as of right now, we're just working with this. I love this box, and I put it on Wednesday because you wear pink on Wednesdays, obviously. But I wish it wasn't so red, so I might color over it. I have one of those Wink of Stella glitter pen things, so I might color over it with some glitter and see if it can like maybe lighten it up a little bit, but I'm a little nervous to do that. So we will see. I'll play with that off camera also. Pictures of my spreads will be on Instagram. My Instagram link is down below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know it was quick, but I don't know, it's a little planner, so there you go. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't hit subscribe, I would love it if you would. And if you're returning, thank you so much for watching again. I will catch you guys in my next video. Have a great week. Bye!